tricky for our first week.
Hey, Nina! Hey!
Ah, this is my friends, Naila.
Oh,
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to
What are
meet you.
looking for?
I'm actually looking for the classroom 107 for my orientation season because I'm a new student here.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Alright. Classroom 107 actually near the education faculty.
Oh, I haven't been there yet, so I'm not sure where it is.
No worries. Do you see the main road in front of the cafeteria?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Okay, let me see my maps.
Okay, take your time.
So, you walk straight along that road. After that, a few minutes, you will find educational faculty on your right. After that is the tall gray building with a blue sign in front.
Okay, now I know which building it is.
Okay, that's good.
Good. Now, classroom 107 is just right next to the education faculty down to the road.
Oh, so it is on the same side.
No, exactly. Classroom 107 is on the west side of the road. So if you're walking straight, it will be on your left.
Okay. Exactly. You will see the classroom 107 is a yellow building because it's smaller and then have a little number in the door.
So just to make sure, go straight and the educational faculty on your right and the classroom 107 will be across to your left.
So do you know if the classroom will lock until the session starts?
No, it just stays open from the 8 in the morning.
So, and if you need a quick study quickly area, the quick area near 107 is easily empty.
Oh, that's really good to know. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh wait, is the white building the education faculty?
Yeah.
No, the white building is a lab.
Oh, okay.
Its educational faculty is gray with the blue sign.
Don't worry, most new students get confused during their first week.
Okay. Alright, thank you both so much. Your explanation really helped me and now I'm confident I can find the building.
Yes, anytime. Feel free to ask if you get lost again.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome to campus, and I hope you're enjoying in your first semester.
Okay, I really appreciate it. See you around, guys.